Sometimes you cannot reach your Wolf controller. Maybe you cannot find it on the network, or you forgot the address you gave it. There is still a way in. You can start it with a known address. This is recovery mode. First, switch off the power to the controller. Wait a few seconds. Switch the power back on. The green light stays on while the controller boots. Now press the button on the front and hold it down. The yellow activity light starts to blink fast. Now you can release the button. The controller starts in recovery mode. You can now reach it at 192.168.2.127. Your computer must use an address that starts with the same three numbers, 192.168.2. This command shows the address of your wired network card. Your card may have a different name. Use the name you see. Now add a second address to the card. The card keeps its old address, so the rest of your network keeps working. On Windows, you set this in the network adapter settings. Open Settings, then Network and Internet, then Ethernet. Next to IP assignment, choose Edit and change Automatic to Manual. Then type the address and the subnet mask you see here. On Windows, this replaces your address, so set it back to Automatic when you are done. The card now has both addresses. Test it with ping. The controller answers, so we can open it in a browser. Open it in your browser on the recovery address. Sign in with your normal username and password. Recovery mode only changes the address. Everything else works as usual. Open Network, then Configuration. Here we choose DHCP, Automatic, so your router gives the controller its address. If you choose Static IP, Manual, write the address down. Save the change. Open System and restart the controller. After the restart, it uses its normal address again.